Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take better pictures with POCO F6 camera. First go to camera, and now I'm gonna show you a few things you can enable to make better photos. The first thing is HDR. This is gonna improve your colors intensity in your photos. Let's press on it to turn it off or turn it on again. It's set to auto now. The second thing you can do is open this menu and open AI camera for your camera to improve pictures quality using artificial intelligence. You can also turn it off. And the last thing I want to show you is you can go to more and press on 50 megapixels to take pictures with 50 megapixel camera. I've taken a picture in this mode, and how you can see, it turned out great. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.